Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi isn't connecting. So guys, firstly unplug your modem and router from the power source, wait for about 60 seconds, plug them back in, starting with the modem. Wait for the modem's lights to stabilize, then plug in the router. Guys, also the reason might be in the service outage. Visit Xfinity Status Center or use the Xfinity app to see if there is an outage in your area. After that, next step, ensure all cables are securely connected to your modem and wall outlets. Damaged or loose cables can cause connection issues. Also, the next one, sometimes your phone, computer or gaming console may need a restart to connect properly. Then, on your device, go to your Wi-Fi settings, forget the Xfinity network and reconnect by entering the password again. After that, on your device, resetting network settings can also resolve persistent issues. Keep in mind, this will erase saved networks. And also guys, two last ones, avoid placing your router near thick walls, metal objects or other electronics. And if none of these work, reach out to Xfinity support for further assistance. If this helped you out guys, press like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.